How to unblock people on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily unblock people on Facebook. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Facebook application. And then from there, you need to find the profile icon at the top right or the menu icon. From there, you want to go over to settings. And once you tap on the settings menu, you need to go ahead and scroll down and find the option here, audience invisibility. And on the second last option, you have blocking. So if you tap on that, it will show you all of the pages or profiles you have blocked. And to unblock the profile, you just have to tap on unblock right besides their name. And then what it does is they will be able to see your timeline or contact you depending on your settings. And then tags that you and the profile previously added to each other may be restored. So just tap on unblock. Now, you are going to have to wait 48 hours if you want to block them again. But you basically just tap on unblock like this and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.